Hi, this is a new daily changing deaths prediction. As you can see, this is a 7-day rolling average. This blue line is the 7-day rolling average. The red bit is a prediction, and the red bit that's hidden in there by the yellow thing, which is the original data, is hiding in there. Anyway, I import NumPy as MP, which is a array processing package. Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Matplotlib, if you want to know, is a library for plotting graphs. Pandas is a data manipulator library, and datetime is a library to write the date string, as you can see, for this written dates. I'll make it clearer for you. The string https coronavirus.data.gov.uk. df, that's read data from CSV file thingy. We do that. All that. df data, df.filter, I really don't want to explain the code. da data, reported date. Y, that's a date, we get the data and then we put it in the y variable. And then we convert the datetime string to datetime object using that. And then predict the next possible deaths using 7-day rolling average. So y1 equals y. So I predict this y1 equals y thing. And then for I arrange m, y1 equals y, that's the data, and then we make changes to the y1. So that by placing a temporary variable or what should be a permanent variable, y2 equals y1, m minus n, so big N. So what's big N? Length of date to small n, and then plus I to n plus I, which means cut, and then go forward one, cut, go forward. Average equals np.me y2, and then we sort of append the average to the new y1. y3 equals np.array of that y1 thing. That's for the rolling average thing. This is also rolling average. For I arrange n, m, y4 equals y, I minus n to I, which is n, so from 7 to the length of the y, y4 equals y, I minus n to I. Average, we do that sort of same thing again. Let's remove that average, because that's the average. As you can see that they're going down, is what I expect. Now then, days 2, days 3, that's for date time for the prediction. We construct that. And the last bit, we show our prediction using plt.plot. plt.gca, we plot the date, make the date time thing, and then here we plot the date time. And then title, we have this title. We plot the prediction, original data as a 7-day rolling average. And then plt.bar, I draw the bar for that. The black bar, red bar, grid. That to draw the grid. Text, data from Gov website. HTTPS. Wait, HTTP or HTTP? HTTPS ://coronavirus.data.gov.uk. And a Y label, which is a label on the left side, as you can here, daily change in deaths, Y. And then text, and then GCF, that's how we rotate the date time text. Also, it matters where we place this line, because if I put it somewhere else, it won't rotate. plt.y label, daily change in deaths, Y, I said that already. And then that's a legend. What I'm talking about is this bit. And then plt.show, which means show it up. And then that, and then some junk code there. And then that's it for this video. I think, yeah, that's it. Please subscribe, like, and stay at home, protect the AHS and save lives, just like the government says. Goodbye.